Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet miniature bike designs model. A crochet miniature bike is a small, detailed representation of a bicycle made through the craft of crocheting. This type of project involves using yarn and a crochet hook to create the various parts of the bike, such as the frame, wheels, handlebars and seat, often with high level of detail. These miniature bikes can serve as decorative items, gift, or even as part of a larger crochet display. People who enjoy both crocheting and model crafting might find making a crochet miniature bike a delightful and challenging project. Creating a crochet miniature bike can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you get started and make the most of your crafting experience. Choose the right materials. Since you are working in a miniature scale, opt for fine yarn or crochet thread and a small crochet hook. This will help you achieve the detail and precision needed for small complements. Plan your project. Sketch out your bike design beforehand or find a pattern if available. This will help you visualize the different parts you need to crochet, such as the frame, wheels, handlebars and seat. Assembly. Use fine sewing needles and thread to assemble the parts of the bike. This can help maintain the delicate look of the miniature bike without bulky joints. Add details. For added realism, include small details such as pedals, a chain, and wheel spokes. You can use thin wire, embroidery folds, or even fine beads for these features. Color choices. Select colors that mimic real bicycles or bike, or choose whimsical colors to make it decorative and fun. Using metallic thread can add a special touch to parts like the handlebars or bike chain. These tips should help you craft a beautiful and detailed crochet miniature bike. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.